usually stops quicker. Like he usually doesn't back off so slowly.
I've never seen him jump, that's why I'm curious.
Sit back, kick, kick, kick. Make him keep moving his feet. Make him keep moving his feet. Come on, come on, come on, kick him, kick him. Good, good. Then make a circle in there. Yeah, make another circle. Good, then get your canter and then out.